Hopping on the freeway. Here we go, bro. 3 hours of non-stop driving. Davis, Jackson, and Marcelo.
Shit, I went for already, bro.
Oh.
Fuck nah, bro.
4 hours remaining. Currently sitting through traffic. We got the house music bumping. We're currently in Oxnard with 3 hours and 40 minutes remaining. 200-mile trip. All right, it is currently 6:08, and we are currently in Lompoc for Habit. Dexter, how are you feeling so far? It's been about, we're all hungry. 3 hours left. We got Davis right behind us. We're gonna go get food. Literally in the middle of nowhere. This feels like the middle of nowhere. Have the habit, boy. Yes, sir. Don't play it, boy. Play, boy. Ooh, Jackson.
I did a bunch of homework last night to where I didn't have to do much.
The habit, boy.
But I still brought all my stuff so I can do. Did you
Ryder. Here we leave the habit out of Lompoc. On the way.
Bruh.
Yo. This thing's huge. Back on the road.
Uh-oh, Steve. Shut your fucking mouth!
Still on the one. We have 21 minutes remaining. Look at this road. Oh my gosh, it just gets worse from here. Still have Jack in front of us. Davis is gonna meet us there. We lost him. Just made it.
Oh shit, here we go.
Airing down. Oh my gosh, bro.
Fuck you. Bruh.
It is 7 a.m. Everyone's up. Ooh, Jack's cooking breakfast.
Do you have a lighter?
Yes.
Davis, do you have a lighter?
Yeah, I had a little bit of a harsh rest last night, but either way, it is absolutely insane. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to explore today.
That's also a shit show. It's so good. Oh my god.
Good, bro.
It's gotta be yummy, bro. Yeah, but
All packing up for the next campsite.
Let me plan a trip. I promise.
Got people camping down there. This looks absolutely insane. Holy shit. Above the clouds.
I'm getting some flex, bro. Dude, I've been on some trails like
Back tires in here.
That's sick. I've been on some trails with my dad. He wanted to go off road, and we went on like shit like that, and like it was so gnarly. Like the truck was like full.
We are all packed up. Ooh. Looking insane. The view is crazy. Looks nice. Looks great. Leaving the spot, following Davis. We got Jack behind us. He's about to come out. On to the next spot. Holy crap.
shit out of here so I can charge it. I have like there's a plug here. I can charge it.
Insane.
Okay, good.
Setting up here for camp. Absolutely insane.
Yo, I get a charger. My phone dead. Good job bringing some ketchup. Jackson, back it up. Towards that head of that.
Why are you screen recording? Oh, I know. I was gonna say, like,
Oh my god.
What the
$9.
What the
We'll just move
That is insane. $9. Up on Pismo.
You want to go to the dune or you want to just chill on the beach?
I'm going to the
What do we do here?